Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Tableau Desktop or Tableau Reader installed, plus access to the original data sources. Open Tableau Desktop now and choose File Open. This reads the TWB XML workbook. If the workbook references live connections, you need credentials. Prepare those because Tableau won't load visuals without them. Once done, Tableau will parse the XML and list sheets in the workbook. Make sure to watch any connection warnings that appear at the top so you can address missing links early. You now resolve complex middle steps, reconnect data and assets. If Tableau flagged missing sources, click the Data pane and choose Replace Data Source or Edit Connection. Enter server, file path, or credentials as required. For extracts, click Extract Refresh to pull data locally. This avoids live server latency. Also inspect custom shapes, extensions, and calculated fields. Some may require installed extensions or field renames. Once connections are restored, run a quick sheet refresh to confirm charts render. You finish by saving a working copy and validating results. Use File Save As to create a backup, then open each dashboard and interact with filters, parameters, and actions to ensure behavior matches expectations. If you plan to share, publish to Tableau server or export as a packaged workbook. TWBX to embed data. If something goes wrong, check Tableau log files in the My Tableau repository folder and re-verify data source credentials. This single troubleshooting tip usually reveals connection or permission issues causing failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.